Good day, Sir Wanan. Before anything else, allow me to introduce myself first. I am Juan Rene Ventura Ferrer Jr., 20 years old, from Santo Tomas, Pangasinan. And now I will going to recite our school's vision, mission, and core values. Uni- uh, University of Eastern Pangasinan Vision. A leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission. University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible UEPians through innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values: uprightness, excellence, and passion. And now, allow me to share a little bit story about my experience in one of my subjects last year. Um, During my second year, I took the subject Net 101 under the instruction of Sir Jeric Visido. What I learned from him is to how how to properly and correctly use Cisco Packet Tracer, a tool that is very essential in computer networking. Um, He taught us not only how to execute commands and create topologies, but also how to make these topologies function by connecting devices such as switches, personal computers, routers, hubs, laptops, and many more. What I truly appreciated was how he encouraged us to explore the software independently. He gave us tasks that challenged us to apply what we learned, which allowed me to develop my which allowed me to develop both my technical skills and my confidence in using Cisco Packet Tracer. um, this became very important for me because honestly, I've always been weak in programming. Um, so programming has always been my challenge, but through networking, I discovered an area where I could do better, enjoy more, and truly grow. Um, it gave me hope and motivation to pursue this field more seriously. Because of this subject and because of my instructor Sir Jerry, and his and because of his guidance, I became more interested in computer networking, and it has inspired me to continue learning and focus on this path of as part of my IT journey. uh, I now see networking not only as a subject but also a foundation for my future career, especially as I pursue my dream of becoming a professional in the field of technology. So that would be all, sir. Thank you very much for listening, and may we continue to live out the values of our schools as we strive towards our goals.